isipod ko.
Actually, we're really very happy that we will be now inaugurating the opening of our third Coop Mart here in Panabo will really prosper. And the rest of the members of NCCC, we would like also to thank our POS provider. Hindi na bisita. Mga customer, no? Customer at may-ari, no? Owner and customer of our Coop Mart.
One CISP nga kami andam moduyog sa inyohang pagtimbaya sa pag-abri sa inyohang Coop Mart. Way back 2018, when One CISP coined the idea of Coop Mart, it is because we observed na ang mga negosyo sa isa ka cooperative nga mag-abri og tindahan, tawgo nila og sari-sari store. So kung dili na siya profitable, balihon lang nila og tawag sira-sira store. So we are very concerned about this gabalik-balik nga trend sa cooperative nga business, and why not partner with those mga private nga mga successful nga mga entities sa ato ang community. So dili dai siya imposible nga makipag-partner ta kanila, and then true enough naa si NCCC na very kanang generous nga mo share sa technology about opening this kind of business. And of course, daghan cooperative ni attempt ni ini nga business. But I tell you, si Magsigi ang pinaka-successful nga naghimo og Coop Mart. So with that, in behalf of One CISP, we would like to congratulate with the leadership of Sir Piping, Sir Chad, ug sa tanang Magsigi. Congratulations sa inyo ang opening.
Come together to celebrate the realization of a shared vision. A vision of creating a retail destination that not only meets the needs of our community, but also embodies the values of cooperation, innovation, and excellence. At NCCC, we are committed to fostering partnership that bring mutual benefit and sustain.
Ribbon cutting. Sa loob po, pwede po tingnan sa loob. Yan. Okay, on a count of 3, let's cut the ribbon and officially open our Magsigi MPC Coop Mart Panabo. And 1, 2, 3! Okay, congratulations! Our Coop Mart Panabo is now officially open. Palit?
Yun.
Okay. So you know, takers is here. This song reminds us of our determination of dreaming big, overcoming obstacles, building community, and the importance of celebrating our...
Magsisisi dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat, Ariel.
mo ni katong